Welcome back everyone. Long overdue. I've had this set in the unit now for about 4 months. Tegiwa Alloy Rad. We've got some silicon hoses to go on, so we do it at the same time, and also a DaveFab coolant reservoir, which also looks really nice. So all that's going to be going on today. Let's go. So firstly we're going to drain all the coolant that's in now. We've let the car cool down so it's not hot anymore, so we had to drive here. And then I've just got like a, well, it's like an oil catcher, so I'm going to slide that under. And then I'll grab the GoPro and I'll see if we can get a shot of the drain plug for you. So I've grabbed a sort of a ratchet with a Phillips head on the end. So I believe that the drain plug has a Phillips connection. We see under here, it should just get access from up in here. Now I've got that off, I'm just going to take the radiator cap off. Just pop that in there, so don't forget to put it back on. And that should be draining out the bottom. Now that's all drained, I'm just going to unplug the fan. We've got a couple clips here for the wire, and then the plug is just under the intake here. So we'll get that unplugged, and then I will drop off these two sort of clamps, and then the radiator should just lift out really once we take this and the lower hose, which is all the way down there, off. Because I'm also replacing the hoses, what I might do is take the hose off the engine side and then just drag the whole thing out. Save myself a bit of pain, so I work out which one it is.
Gotcha.
Yep. Nice, absolutely minging. Made a bit of a mess. Sort of bottom mounts off the OEM one. Put them on the Tegiwa Rad, and then that will slide into those, and then belt down onto those mounts there. Well, now it's going to drop this rad in and try and like hook the silicon hose into the right place, and then put a Jubilee clip on it. Put a Jubilee clip on it, and then mount that up. And then what we'll do is work around the whole car, replacing all of the hoses one by one, so I get the right ones. And then I'll install the DaveFab reservoir, and then we can fill up the coolant. So, are off the original Rad as well. They sit on the top of here. Nothing just fits first time, does it? I ain't taking the Rad out now to show you, because I'm like the point now where I just want to go in. But basically there's like an extra bit on it which fouls the bottom of this new alloy rad. So I've literally done what anyone would do. and chopped it off. So that's gone. Now it fits nicely. It goes down low enough. I also had to take off the rubber mounts as well because they don't fit. I don't know why, but it doesn't seem to rattle around too much. So I've taken them off, but I'll keep them in case I need to put them back on. So I'm just going to secure the radiator down now with its mounts, and I just need now to put the fan back on and the silicone hose that we put on earlier for no reason because I had to take it off. So that is it. Got the rad in, the lower radiator hose is now secured, so now I'm going to try and work my way around everything else. Probably doing the obvious ones first. So you've got like this little fella goes here for the PCV breather. Oh man. What goes on there? So I've installed the DaveFab coolant reservoir. That's really good. It's quite easy. It's just 2 bolts, 1 and 2. And then we've got the silicone hose that meets up with the rad installed. So I'm just going to pop the fan back on now. Just drop that in there, bolt that back on. And then I will probably put the intake back together just to put the breather on that. And then I'll make a decision whether I want to change some of the other hoses or whether they're too far down, and I can't really be bothered, to be honest. I unfortunately don't really have a long enough set of pliers to actually get this one off, and I don't want to cut this side without having the other side off, really, in case I can't put it back together today. So I've bought one of these sort of spill-free coolant kits. It comes with some adapters and stuff to the rad. So now I've just double checked that everything has a hose on it at least and is tight. And I'm gonna start filling it with coolant and hopefully nothing falls out of the bottom. So it's just got this set up like this, the engine on, and I'm just waiting for it to come up to temperature now. On the dash, heaters are on maxed out. It's starting to get warm in here. So I'll just run this until the thermostat opens fully, and then we'll take this off, fill up the expansion tank, and that should be jobs are good. Obviously got some DaveFab bits in here. The rad is from Tegiwa, and the silicone hoses are from Stoney Racing, and that's pretty much the only place that I could find that would do the whole set and for whatever colour you want, really. So, and they also do the brake one up here for the brake as well, so I'll probably be changing that soon as well. And this is a reminder, we are currently doing a giveaway of this Sam's Detailing sample box. It's UK only, but when we hit 200 subscribers, if you comment on the link above and go comment on that video, you'll be entered in to win. So it's UK only, and then we'll obviously ship it out to you anywhere within the UK. There we go. So get subbing, get liking.